In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design a simple food flyer. Simple food flyer. So I've imported the image, the thing that we are going to design. So we're going to see from this one and then design the one we want to design for our practical. So if this is your first time seeing my video or watching my video, you are welcome to my channel. In this channel, I draw video every day about graphic design. And if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you will get a lot about graphic design. You will learn a lot. So today we are going to see how we can design this simple food flyer. Alright, so let's just resize this one so that we can design the same. Alright, the first thing that we are going to do is to import the background. So, and this is the background in this design. This place is the background. So we are going to import this background right now. So the same simple way to import your background, click here. So when you click, then you scroll where you see from gallery. Here from gallery. Okay, you click there. Then we are going to select the image. So here is the one that we are going to make use of. This one here. Alright. So we click on it. Then we click on this check mark here. Very simple. Alright, so we have imported our background right now. So the next thing is now to start. Let's just write all this right off here. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do now, let us just keep it this way, is go to test by clicking on this A here. That's where you can get to your test. Click there. Then you click on this plus sign here. Go to add your test. Then you click on edit. Okay, let's just remove this. So the first thing we are going to put is div special. So you can as well put your own name, but I'm going to use my short name, which is div special. Okay, you keep it this way. Then you come to font, scroll till you see where the right font, which is here. So we have to change the font. Alright, so you click on it. Alright, so there is a particular font that I'm going to use for this design, and that font is this one here. This font. So that's the font I'm going to use, and I would recommend that you too use it. Okay, so if you click on it, you will see that this text has changed. So if I click another one, that text will also change. Just see now. Let's take for instance, I click on this one. Let's see. Can you see the thing have changed? Alright, so let me just click on the one that I want. Then what you have to do is just click OK. Alright, so we are done with this part. Then you come to relative position here. Relative position. Click on it. Then the one we are going to click is the center one, so that it will be aligned very okay. Okay, then let us lock this one so it will not be moving by clicking here. Then we lock it. Just click on this key icon. Once it shines red, then you have locked it. Alright, sorry. The next thing that we're going to do now is to add another text. Alright, so we click on this plus sign again for us to add our text. Click on edit. Then we're going to write burger this time around. Burger. Yeah. Then position it this way. Resize it. It's okay. Then we are going to change the font again by clicking the same place we clicked the other time, which is font. Okay, so I have a font that I'm going to use, which is this Ubuntu condensed regular. So, and I recommend that you also will use it. You can still check another font, but this one is the one I'm going to use. Alright, then I'm going to give it a button style by clicking on this style here, so that we give it a button style. You click on it. Then for you to make this text to be more bold, you just click on this B. For you to make the text to be in italics, then you click on this I. For you to underline the text, then you click on U. Then this T here is for you to undo all this effect that you have done. Alright, so I'm going to click on B. You can see the text has changed and it is now bold again. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do now is just to add color to this. So you can see that this is not white color, so we have to give it our own, which is this one, the same color with this one. So for us to select our color, we just click here on color. Then we are going to search for the color that we are going to use, and here is the color here, this one. This is the color that we are going to make use of, so you click on it. All right, then let us resize it a little bit. It's okay this way. Then we are going to click on to send this one to back. If you notice, this ray special is on top of this booger, so we are going to send our own booger so that it will be at the back of this div special. All right, all you have to just do is click on this to back, and it will be at the back. You click on it to back. Then if you can see now the thing is at the back, you can see it, so we have to keep it this way. Then we go to relative position again, which is this place. Then you add your relative position, just click here, this center one. It's okay now. We are going to lock this shape, this one. Then we will unlock this one so that we can add shadow. If you check our project, the one that we are looking at, it has a little shadow, so we are going to apply shadow to our own. All right, so let us lock this one here now. Then let us unlock our div special so that we can add stroke to it. Then you scroll till you see shadow, not stroke, sorry. We are going to apply shadow, and click on shadow, and you click on this enable button. Okay, it's already in black color, so all we have to do now is just it's okay like this. I think it's okay, no need of touching anything here again. It's okay this way. Then we have to resize this by going to our size. Let us increase the size a little bit. Just click on size. It's okay this way. Then you come to relative position again. Let us make it to be at relative position. It's okay. Now you can go and lock it. You can now go and lock it. Alright, so we are done with this step. And the next one is just to write this limited time offer. This limited time offer. Alright, you go to test again. You click on edit. So we have to write limited time offer. Now this my writing now is in small letter. So, and in our project, the one that we have to do is in capital letter. So how do we make this in capital letter? So all you have to just do is click on this capital T here. It will turn the whole text into a capital letter. So just see as I click it, you can see the thing is already in capital letter. So we are done. Just click on OK. You keep it this way. Okay, you have to resize it like this. Then all we have to just do is just to add it a style. Let us add a style by clicking here on this style. And then we're going to click on this piece so that we'll make it to be more bold. Our text to be more bold. It's okay. Then we have to apply color, which will be a black color. So this is just a simple way to design something. When you have something to design, just import it, then you now see what you are designing. Alright, so I think we're almost done. So let us see the next thing now. Let us lock this one that we just did now. It's okay. Then the next thing is now to create this discount, this 50% discount. Let us create this one now. Alright, so let's resize this one and keep it this way. Then we go to shape so that we can add this shape that is here. Okay, we go to shape, which is here. Then you click on shapes. So we are going to increase the radius, which is this place. We are going to increase the radius. Let's resize so that we can get the shape that we want. Okay, it's okay like this. Let us increase the radius to something like this. It's okay. It's okay this way. Then let us give it color. Let us apply color to it. Just click on color. Then click on enable button. We are going to use the same color that we used in this booger, which is this one now. Okay, so we keep it this way. We keep it this way. Let's resize it again. It's okay. Alright, for you to resize your shape, this one is for general resizing, and this one is for vertical resizing, then this small one now is for horizontal resizing. Alright, so it's okay this way. Then let us add our test, which is that 50% discount, by clicking on A so that we can add our test. Click on edit. So the first thing we are going to write is 50%. 50%. You click on OK. Then you bring the 50% here. You use size so that you resize it, because if you check, this one is more big, it's bigger than our own. So let us resize. It's okay like this. Then we are going to give it another style, which will be a button style. Still your normal way, just click on style and give it a button style. It's okay this way. And come to position. Let's use position. So position is very good. Alright, it's okay this way. So I added underline in my style, so let us remove it. Just click on this style. Like I said before, once you click on this T here, the thing will remove any style you have applied. So if I click on it, then it will remove. So, and we want to apply a button style, so we have to just do is click on this bin now. It's okay like this. Alright, so let us add another text, which will be discount. Then click on this capital letter here, so that this T here, so that it's all the letter will be in the capital letter. Click on OK. Alright, so we have to resize this one so that it will enter the shape. Let's resize. I think it's okay like this. Let's use position site and keep it in a better position. I think it's okay this way. Alright, we are done with this one, so let us lock them. Alright, so the next thing now that we are going to do is that if you look closely, you will see another thing here. There is a text here. So all we have to just write here is div delicacy, something like that. Alright, so you go to test here again. Alright, so you don't need to add another test. Just see what you are going to do. Just click on OK, then delete this thing. Just come to this place that we normally use to lock our shapes or our elements. Then you click here. I want us to duplicate this div special. I want us to copy it. Just click there. Then you are going to click on this copy icon. You can see we have copied it already, and here it is. Alright, so this one that we just copied, now we are going to edit it now, so that we'll now give it delicacy now. Alright, so then let us use this. We are going to use this button, this one here. Alright, and it's okay this way. Let's just keep it this way. Okay, I think it's okay. It's okay. Let's leave it like this. Alright, I think we are done with our design. So it now remains this. Then we now import our booger, this thing here, this order now. So to create this, you just go to your shape. So let us increase the radius. Let us reduce it. It's okay like this. You can leave it to 15 or 17. Alright, so let's just keep it here. I think it's okay. Then we are going to keep it on a relative position. Then let us use position so that we give it's okay this way. Then we are going to opacity. If you look closely, this one is somehow transparent. So we are going to make our own to be transparent by going into this opacity here. Then you reduce it. I think it's okay this way. So let us let our shape go up again. Let us use position. It's okay. So the next thing is just to add text, which is order now. Order now. And I'm going to reduce it. Reduce it again. Okay, it's okay like this. Let's use position. Alright, then we are going to add a style to it, a button style. Still your normal version. Alright, I think we are done with our design already. Just remain smoothing. Okay, so let us reduce the opacity of this shape again. Let us reduce the opacity maybe to 50%. It's okay like this. Alright, so I think so we are done with our design. So the next thing now is just to import this burger in our design. So let us import it. For you to import anything, just click on this plus sign here, then click on from gallery. Let me get my phone. Here it is. Alright, so let me reduce it small. It's okay this way. Then we are going to apply a shadow to this shape. We are going to apply a shadow to it. All you have to just do is click on this shadow. When you scroll, you'll see shadow. Click on it, then click on enable button. And we are going to do something in this offset here. We are going to do something about it. So this offset X, we are going to keep it to 0. It will be at 0 level. Then this offset Y, we will increase it. If you check there's shadow at the bottom of this when we started increasing. Alright, so I think just see how the thing works. You can see it now. So but we are going to reduce it, so something like 12. Okay, it's okay this way. Let's reduce it. Yeah, it's okay to this. Keep it on 7. Alright, so I think we're almost done with our design. So all you have to just do to come and lock the remaining ones, the remaining elements that have not locked. So I think we are done with our design, and if you check, it's the same thing. Right, so this is how you can design a simple food flyer. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. By the next video, we'll continue with another aspect of this flyer design, which will be practical. Thanks. Please, if this video was helpful, please do it to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and share this video. If you have any question, just drop it under the comment section. See you in the next video.